Did you know that moving is ranked as one of the top 5 most stressful life events, right up there with divorce and job loss? Yes, it's official. Cardboard boxes can break more than your back. They can break your spirit as well. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, a longtime realtor and professional chaos navigator. Today I'm sharing how to move into your new home without losing your mind, because you deserve to start this chapter with a celebration, not a breakdown. Moving sounds exciting until you're knee deep in packing tape, bubble wrap, and mystery cables you forgot even existed. You're juggling a million things, changing your address, scheduling movers, convincing your cat to leave the linen closet. And that's before the Wi Fi even gets hooked up. Things get misplaced, timelines shift, and suddenly you're eating cold pizza off of a box labeled not kitchen, wondering where it all went wrong. But here's the good news: you can absolutely stay sane through this. Here's how: create a moving checklist. Think of it as your survival guide. Break it down by week to avoid overwhelm. Label everything clearly, and I mean clearly, not just stuff or miscellaneous. Be specific. Bedroom top drawer beats question marks any day. Color code your boxes. Yes, it's a thing. Assign colors to rooms. That way, even your movers don't speak your language, they can speak Crayola. Pack an open first box. Include essentials like toilet paper, chargers, a change of clothes, and let's be honest, probably a bottle of wine. Get help. Friends, family, or professional movers. This is not the time to prove you can do it all yourself. Let me tell you about my move years ago. I tried to handle everything solo. No plan, no help, just vibes and stress. Halfway through, I lost my car keys, found a box of expired soup, and cried over a missing coffee maker. Then I stopped, made a game plan, and get this, finished unpacking in 2 days. Why? Because I finally admitted I needed structure and snacks, lots of snacks. That turning point taught me a little preparation saves a lot of panic. So, to sum it up, plan ahead, label well, ask for help, and always, always pack a first night survival box. You've got this. Do you have a moving horror story or a brilliant hack? Share it in the comments. I read every one. And if you're getting ready to settle in, check out my other videos on how to organize your new home like a pro. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be back for another video.